In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook attachments not showing in emails. If your attachments seem to be missing in Outlook, don't worry. In many cases, the files are still there, but the way your messages are being displayed can make them harder to see. This quick adjustment in your Outlook settings can help make attachments easier to find by changing how your emails are organized in the message list. To get started, open Outlook and go to your mail section. Make sure you're in your inbox or any mail folder where you've noticed the issue. This is important because the setting we're changing affects how your emails are shown in the mail view. Once you're in mail, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. It usually appears as a small gear symbol. This will open Outlook's settings panel where you can control different display and organization options for your inbox. In the settings panel, find the section called Message Organization. This area controls how Outlook groups and arranges your emails. If messages are grouped together, attachments can sometimes be less obvious at a glance, especially when you're scanning through conversations or bundled email threads. Under Message Organization, click on Do Not Group Messages. This changes your inbox from a grouped or threaded view into a simpler list, where each email appears on its own. For many users, this makes attachments much easier to spot because each individual message is displayed more clearly. After selecting that option, give Outlook a moment to refresh the view. Then go back to your inbox and check the emails where attachments were not showing before. You should now have a cleaner message list that makes it easier to identify which emails include files. If you still don't immediately see an attachment, make sure you open the specific email itself, since some attachments may only appear once the message is fully opened. But in many situations, changing the message grouping setting is enough to solve the visibility problem. This is a simple fix, but it can make a big difference in how easy Outlook is to use, especially if you receive a lot of emails with documents, images, or other files attached. That's it. By going to Mail, opening the settings icon, and choosing Do Not Group Messages under Message Organization, you can quickly improve how attachments appear in Outlook emails.